Greetings and welcome to TryHard Mode. In this video, we will show a brief demonstration of our plants, bushes and flower package available in the Unity store. Here, in our sample scene, we can see the resources included. We can see the plants, shrubs, creeping plants, flowers and vegetation, and demonstrate how we can modify our vertex movement shader to adjust the wind simulation that our project requires. For the high-definition render pipeline, the shader is located in the HDRP Materials folder. Or, if you're using the Universal Render Pipeline, use the one in the URP Materials folder. Once located in the proper folder, we can access our shader or modify the parameters of the materials already applied to our vegetation. In these parameters, we have the magnitude of the general strength, which will apply an equal measure to the movement of all vertices. If we want to make general changes to the wind movement of the scene in code, this value will be the most convenient to modify. But if we prefer, we can make specific changes to the movement of vertical vertices, assigned in this case to the petals of flowers and leaves on shrubs, plants and creeping vines. In the same way, we can change the speed of this movement and the scale of the noise texture that we use to generate these changes. If we want to make the movement more accentuated between one vertex and another, we can increase this modifier. Or to make smoother movements, we can reduce the scale value. And in the same way, we can change the horizontal vertices movement assigned to the stems and branches to allow them to move with the wind. Here we can see that if we increase this magnitude, we'll see an increase in the horizontal movement distance, and in the same way, we can increase the speed and the scale of the noise for softer or aggressive movement as needed. These assets offer up to 3 levels of detail and atlas textures, so we can further adjust the efficiency of the models as required by the project. This allows us to handle high density of objects in large scenes, lowering the impact on the performance of our games. Of course, all this should be considered in regards to the scopes of each project, but in any case, we have these resources available. And the changes to our vertices movement will apply to all our prefabs. Finally, I will quickly show how these materials and shaders are also available in the package for the Universal Render Pipeline. If we change to the sample scene prepared with this render engine, we can see how our new materials don't work correctly. But if we change to the Universal Render engine, we can see how the package also includes a compatible version to this engine, and how the same tools and modifiers can be found in the URP folder, and the same criteria and adjustments also apply to all our models. Any questions or suggestions will be answered either through our YouTube channel or the review section in the Unity store. But for our part, in regards to this package, that will be all for the moment. Thank you very much for your time and have an excellent day. Bye.